hyper tough. Previous condition of this SharkBite, leaking all over the freaking place, man, making a mess. After this SharkBite hack, we were able to get that old one out the way and put this new one right in its place. So we got the hack here for the SharkBite that will not come off. Now, as you've seen in the other picture, this SharkBite has to get depressed. This little cafe brown looking color piece needs to get pressed in and you'll be able to push it off. This case, it was way too close to the pipe, the valve, for me to slip it off. So this is the hack. This is how I got my SharkBite off. I used a Dremel. I cut the inside, and you see the inside has this ring. This little brass teeth, they bite down in the pipe so you cannot get it off. I just cut to the side and cut that ring off. Once I was able to do that, I could slide it off of the pipe super duper easy. I'll give you an example of what that looks like. So it's like this. It's on there, pressed in. As soon as you break this seal, cut through this teeth right here, you can get you a pair of channel locks. Easy peasy. And finagle this SharkBite right off. Now, because of the tight spot, I'll give you a hack number 2 right here. So right in the outer edge of this SharkBite, to make sure it did not leak, because I don't like SharkBites either, I use the infamous leak lock joint sealing compound. Locks out leaks. And what I did was, it goes in like a paste. I put this on the outer edge. The outer edge where the pipe would actually go into. As soon as I snugged it in, no more leaks. I'll show you that video.